welcome back to our math class. So again is the math class. Now we are going to learn your part of the My Observation Book part 1. Okay, so in this video we are going to discuss about this chapter 5, more about a multiplication. Already you learned some multiplication sum, and today we are going to discuss about the worksheet from My Observation Book part 1. Okay, more about a multiplication. Okay, children, come, let's see the first knowledge sum. Okay, come start. Now see the fill in the blanks. Okay, so first one, 54 multiple with 100. Okay, 54 multiple with 100 means 3 is 2 0. 100 has 2 0. So write 54 and 0 0. So 5400. Answer is 5400. So short form 100 multiple with 54 means write the number and write 2 0. Second question. 392 multiple with 1 equal to 1 multiple dash. You know, any number multiple with 1, you get the same number. So 392. Okay, any number multiple with 1, you get the same number. So 392 multiple 1 equal to 1 multiple 392. And another thing, you change the place, the answer does not change. And third one, 876 multiple with 10. 876 multiple with 10. Same thing, you write the number and write 1 0. So answer is 8760. So final answer is 8760. 98 multiple with 100. 98 multiple with 100. So first write the number. The 2 zeros are here. So write 2 0. So 98 multiple with 100. Answer is 9800. Clear, children? So once again, 54 multiple with 100. 5400. Write 2 0. 392 multiple with 1. The same number. 1 multiple with 392. 876 multiple with 100. Answer is 8760. 98 multiple with 100. Answer is 9800. Okay. Now let's see the next one. Next one. State true or false. See, first question. When you multiply 234 by 100, the product is 2340. You know, multiple with any number, multiple with 100 for any number, you write 2 0. So 234 multiple with 100 means you want to write one more 0. That means 23,400. But here 2340. So the sentence is false. Okay. Second question. The multiplier is 795. Multiply 100 equal to 7950 is 10. You know, it's a multiplicand, multiplier and the final product. You know that. So this one is the number is multiplicand and this 10 is multiplier and the final answer is product. So this is true. Third one. The product of 673 multiple 100 is 6730. The product means the final answer. Final answer is 6730. So it's true. The sentence is true. And final one. The multiplicand is 654 multiple 0 equal to answer 0 is 654. So in this question, the multiplicand is 654. Yes, true. Okay. once again, the important thing, any number multiple with 100, you write to 0, that first thing. Second thing, any number multiple with 0, you get the answer 0. And the multiplication sum, this, like this sum, this is multiplicand and the multiplier, and this is the final product. Okay. So second question, the multiplier is 795 multiple 10. Answer is 7950 is 10. So in this sum, the multiplier is 10. Yes, it's a 10. Third question, the product of 676 multiple 10 is 6730. So in this sum, the product is 6730. Yes. And fourth one, the multiplicand is 654 multiple 0. The answer is 0. So in this sum, 654 is a multiplicand. Yes. So this sentence also true. Okay. Now let's see the next sum. Next one, match the following. First question, 200 multiple 30. And second question, 23 multiplied with 30. Third one, 20 multiplied by 40. And fourth one, 400 multiplied by 21. The answers is given and you want to match the correct answer. So let's see the first question. 200 multiple 30 multiple with 30. So very simple. 30 multiple 2. So 3 2s are 6, 2 1s are 2. 26 get to 0. So write to 0. Clear children? So 2 multiple 30. So 2 3s are 6 and 2 1s are 2. And we have 200. So write to 0. So answer is 2600. Here the answer is 1. Okay, next one, 23 multiple 30. Same thing, 23 multiple with 3. 3 3s are 9, 2 3s are 6. Here 1 0, so 690. 23 multiple with 3, 69. Here 0, 30. So you write 1 0. So 690. Third one, 20 multiple with 40. Very simple. 2 4s are 8. 1 0 and here 1 to totally 2 0. So 8 and 2 0 800. So 3. Then fourth one, 400 multiple with 21. 21 multiple with 4. 1 4s are 4. 4 2s are 8. But here 2 0. So 8400. Here the answer. So fourth one. Clear children? So 200 multiple with 30. Answer is 2600. 23 multiple with 30. The answer is 690. 20 multiple with 40. Answer is 800. 400 multiple with 21. The answer is 8400. Very easy. I think you understood this sums. Thank you children. Thank you for listening.